Hi, I am Renaya, and today we are going to learn about tenses. So, the tense tell us when the action takes place, whether the action take place today, or it took place yesterday, or it will take place tomorrow. So, today we are going to learn about the present tense, which refers to the action taken today. Example, I drive. I drive. So, I drive is happening in present, meaning that it is happening now, today. Another example, I am called. I am called is the action that is happening currently, now, today. Another example is he eats. He eats. This is the action that is happening now. He eats. And if we can see present tenses, these are also verbs. The verbs are doing words. So they simplify the verbs. Another type of a tense is past tense. These are tenses that happened yesterday, things that happened yesterday. So, if I said I drive today, which is the present tense, in past tense it will be I drove. Yesterday, I drove. Yesterday, I drove. Therefore, drove is in past tense. Today I am cold is in present tense. In past tense, yesterday I was cold. In past tense, meaning that is things that happened and or action that took place yesterday. I was cold. He eats is in present tense. It happened today. In past tense, he ate. Yesterday, he ate. That will be past tense. Another type of a tense is future tense. We have the type of a tense which is future tense. In future tense, we say I shall drive, meaning that whatever I'm planning to do, the action I'm planning to do, have not yet happened, meaning that I will do it tomorrow. I shall do it tomorrow. I shall drive. Tomorrow I shall drive. I will be called. I will be called. He shall eat. Shall, will be, these are future tenses. Things that will happen tomorrow. Continuous tense is another type of tense, which is for example, I am driving. I am driving. This sentence is in present continuous. When we find continuous tenses, we check the verb. If the verb ends with ing, note that that sentence is in continuous tense. It's either is in present continuous, past continuous, or future continuous. If the verb ends with ing. So, I am driving is in present continuous. I am, meaning that it is happening today. I was driving is in past continuous. I was, meaning that it happened yesterday. I shall be driving is in future continuous. Shall be, shall, meaning that it will happen tomorrow. Therefore, it is in future continuous. Thanks.